Hello, in this video we'll see how to generate GSTR 2A 2B mismatch report from StrategicERP. To generate your 2B mismatch report, what you need to go do, you need to navigate to a statutory module, select your company, select your financial year, then go to the GSTR 2A 2B form. Once you'll come here, you need to select your GST number for which GST to be mismatch report you are going to generate. So I have selected this GST, then month for which month. So here what you need to do is you need to upload your JSON file which you have generated from your GST portal. First of all, you need to generate your 2B file from your GST portal in JSON format for this particular month. And once you will generate it from your GST portal, you need to upload it over here in this form. So once this entry is saved, you need to select it from drop down, and then you need to upload your GSTR2B or GSTR2A file which you have generated from GST portal in JSON format. You need to upload it over here. So once you will upload it, now system will have the information of your actual 2B as per portal. So let me upload something. Okay, so I guess I may have a file here. So you need to upload your JSON file here. Once you'll upload your JSON, okay, so the work of this form is over here, right? You need to upload your JSON file here. Now you need to navigate to statutory module again, and open GST return form, then select your GST, then select your month from here, April, then select your financial year, and then you need to come to the GSTR 2A 2B section. Once you will click on GSTR 2A 2B section, you will found here option you can download 2B mismatch Excel and you can download 2A mismatch Excel. Right. So once you will click on here, the system will give you the GSTR 2B mismatch Excel file. So it is not downloaded here because the file I have uploaded, the JSON I have uploaded wasn't this GST, that was for someone else. So that's why system showed us a error, and that's why it is not generated. So once you will upload correct JSON for correct GST, system will give you a Excel file where the mismatch will show how many 2B bills are matched and how many bills are like there in portal but not in books. System will show them in red color, highlight them in red color. Thank you.